Welcome to automated trading. For decades, professional hedge funds and DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, have had a clear advantage in crypto markets by having access to advanced algorithms, high-speed execution, and real-time data. Today, that edge is no longer exclusive. Retail traders can now leverage automated trading bots to execute trades faster, smarter, and more efficiently, directly competing with institutional strategies. Let's take a look. Automated trading bots give retail traders access to the same tools that institutions use, without needing a multi-million-dollar fund. Here's how. First, they bring speed and efficiency. Bots can execute hundreds of trades per day, identifying market inefficiencies and acting instantly, something manual trading cannot achieve. Next, they offer advanced strategy execution. Bots like the Momentum Hunter or the Logic Pro Auto Trader can follow complex strategies, trend following, scalping, arbitrage, and mean reversion automatically, just like hedge fund systems.
As well, they offer risk management and discipline. Retail traders often struggle with emotional decisions. Bots strictly follow programmed rules, ensuring consistent risk controls, dollar cost averaging, and profit targets. And they use powerful data-driven decisions. Bots analyze live data streams and historical patterns to make real-time trading decisions, allowing retail traders to compete on data, not intuition or guessing. Retail traders can use bots to mimic or even outperform institutional strategies, such as scalping, which capture small, frequent profits on volatile pairs like XRP/USD or BTC/ETH, and they utilize hedging and stablecoin use. Use stablecoins such as RLUSD, USDT, or USD to lock in gains and reduce volatility exposure, as well as adaptive bot strategies. Bots can adjust trade size and timing automatically based on market conditions, emulating institutional risk management. Our bots provide a user-friendly interface, no coding skills required to deploy advanced strategies. And of course, 24/7 trading. Never miss an opportunity. Bots trade around the clock. And the advantage of backtesting, which test strategies on historical data to optimize performance before committing capital. Also, we offer multiple trading bot options. Choose from the Logic Pro Auto Trader, the Momentum Hunter, the Quant Engine Auto Trader, or the Quantum Cyber Auto Trader, depending on your goals. The gap between retail traders and institutions is closing, and automated trading bots are the key. Trade like hedge funds and DAOs. Access advanced analytics, and use disciplined, risk-managed strategies. In short, the power of automated trading has been made accessible to you.
Start your 14-day free trial today at automatedtrading.io and see how our automated trading bots can trade smarter, faster, and more efficiently. No risk, no commitment.